Hi you two. Yesterday you were looking at facts and opinions. So remember, a fact is something that can be proven. You can research it on the internet or you can read about it in a book. Whereas an opinion is just how you feel or something you believe. Today your job is to research kangaroos. So you can either go onto the Lavella at Home site and read through the fact sheet about kangaroos, or you can continue to watch this video and I'm going to show you a video all about kangaroos. Make sure you pause it when you want to write down one of the facts that you hear. In your Learning at Home book, you're going to write a title at the top. So you can see I've done it here in my Learning at Home book. So at the top here I've got facts about kangaroos. Make sure you've got capital letters because it's a title. Then you're going to draw a picture of a kangaroo in the centre of your page. So make sure you do it on 2 pages so you've got lots of room to write your facts around. Then you can see around the side here, as I listened to the video, I paused it and wrote down the facts that I thought were interesting about kangaroos. You can write some more facts around your kangaroo, so by the end you'll have a mind map full of facts all about kangaroos. Have fun learning today. Bye!
Welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're going to be going down under, throwing all the shrimp on the barbie. We're going to be talking about 7 fun facts about kangaroos. Do you like kangaroos? Because I love them. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 1. Kangaroos don't walk or run. They hop. But that doesn't slow them down at all. Kangaroos have very powerful hind legs, and they can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Whoa, that's pretty fast. Ready? Fact number 2 about kangaroos. Kangaroos have very powerful hind legs. They can leap over things that are up to 10 feet tall. Kangaroos balance themselves by extending their broad tails as they move around. Whoa, I wish I could leap over things that are 10 feet tall. That would be cool. Ready? Fact number 3. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Weird. That means that unfortunately, they can't do the moonwalk. Ready? Fact number 4. There are more kangaroos than humans in Australia. Wow. They are the national symbol of Australia and appear on postage stamps, coins, and even the sides of airplanes. Neato. They must be super popular in Australia. Ready? Fact number 5. Young kangaroos are called joeys. Joeys will sometimes jump head first into their mother's pouch when they're frightened. Wow. I wish I could jump into a pouch when I'm frightened. Ready? Fact number 6. Kangaroos have excellent hearing, and like some other animals, they're able to move their ears in different directions without moving the rest of their head.